Good afternoon, viewers. My name is MC Daniel. I want to welcome you to especially today's particular video. And I want to begin by asking you a question. Are you a teacher who teaches technical drawing? Or are you a student, a secondary school level or tertiary institution, who is having challenge with this particular subject called technical drawing in any area? If you are one, then this video is designed or arranged purposely because of you. I will show you something now that should be able to steer your head. And after that, I will tell you something that will help you come out of that problem. All the drawings you will be seeing from now on are tertiary institution drawings. They are from university textbooks, but students in secondary school, SS2, SS3, constructed them all. Like the one you are seeing now, it is a section machine part, which was carried out by a student whose name is Okonkwo Emeka. You can see this one. This is another one. It was performed by a student too, whose name was Arinze Okonkwo. The same Arinze carried out this particular task also. And the girl by the name Olomachi did this particular one. You can see it now. It's an SS2 student. Then she did this when she was in SS3. This was the work of a young man whose name is Oyele Daniel. He finished this as an SS3 student. This is an auxiliary drawing problem. It was constructed by an art student who, as at then, was a girl offering commerce. But she had interest in technical drawing and she was very serious about it. We therefore had to give her a chance to express herself, and she gave us this job, which many science students were not even able to carry out. This is a university question that was completed by a young man whose name is Favor James, the young man that actually began the job of answering university questions in a secondary school. This is another auxiliary drawing problem. It was carried out by a student whose name is Osadaye. This was a carburetor of an engine. It was constructed by a student whose name is Anyaji Stanley. Currently he is studying in a university in Germany, doing very well there. The same Stanley performed this particular other work on auxiliary drawing to show his might and strength in this same job. This was done under the topic Principle of Tangency. Arinze Godwin Owobi was the person who carried out this project, and it is also a university question. This was a task carried out by Kenechukwu Nwankwo. It's building drawing. I know you must have seen something like this. It's Introduction to Building Drawing. He did it while here as an SS3 student. We also have Favor James completing the sectioning of a machine part. All these are university questions. These are university topics. And yet these children were able to perform them and carry them out. This is assembly drawing carried out by a young man in SS2 whose name is Osadaye. One of the topics that seem to be a problem to students. Okonkwo Arinze carried out this particular project of the part of a machine, which he carried out in this same year, 2019. And this boy did this when he was in SS1, just getting into in SS2, when we just moved into SS3. That was really a surprise to everybody. You can see this type of job also. It was done by a student whose name is Favor James. Very fantastic handwork. Finally, let me show you the results we have made so far. At least for the past 3 years that we have been in this school. Let me show you some of the WAEC results. This is S 2017 WAEC results. Flanked by it is 2018 WAEC results. Coming here, we have 2019 WAEC results. All these pictures, video drawings I have just shown you, I didn't just show them to you for just show's sake, but to tell you that you can do what others are doing. Those drawings I showed you were all university questions. I posed it to my students at the secondary school level. Some of them answered those questions in SS2. Most other ones answered them in SS3. And that is why whenever they come to write exam, you can see the result they have here. I showed you the WAEC result. Actually, personally, I don't like those results. The reason is simple. Whenever they come out, most times I see some of them come out to apologize to me. They are carried by overconfidence that they enter into exam hall and they don't pay heed to all the rules given to them in the class. They are so excited because they seem to see all the exams in the preparation from WAEC are so cheap and simple. Some of them will be writing exam and will be laughing because they have become so used to them. They have overgrown those WAEC questions. But this is secondary school. That is why when most of them enter university, they send messages to me to thank me how I have made life easier for them in that field. Now, having done this, what am I saying? I showed them so that I will introduce you to a program I have designed because I've received a lot of calls. Teachers who have taught that subject have passed through this place. I've met some people who will ask me, how do you normally do this? Can you help us? Sometimes I'll be teaching. Teachers will come and sit to see how I teach these things. Does it make me the overall best technical drawing teacher in the whole world or federation? No. But to the best I can tell, for now, I believe I have the gift, the strength, and the training needed to help you come to the level where you can be competitive. I do not have the time, I don't think I have the time to tell you the number of parents who keep calling me now and then for private home lessons. It's too much. It's just too much. And because of the size, I discovered that the best thing to do is to create a platform where I will not just only attend to these parents, but to teach these things in a video format, package it, send it to these people. They'll watch it at home and on their own, at their free time, practice and master. They can send it back to me. I will see their work through the lines and platform I will give to them. Then I will mark it, send it back to you. That is why I said, if you are interested in enrolling in this program, then call the number you see on the screen. Call that number. I will need your WhatsApp number, active one, and email address. That is where we will start. Once you send these things, you call me. We will talk. They tell you how we're going to arrange it so that we can have time. You too can rest. I too will rest. So that I will no more be able to be confined to one particular family, or 2 or 3, perhaps 10 in a week. Sometimes just going to a house once to teach, and they're happy with it. Currently, we are running online program because of the corona by force holiday, which has come upon us. It has become an unexpected event. And now it's on us. We have to do it. But on this ground, therefore, we have divided this meaning. And I decided, let me extend it to the wider audience. If you are interested in this, call me. And I will tell you what you will do. Definitely, at the end of the day, you will become one of the students or teachers that will be respected in this field. I will be expecting your call. God bless you.